I am the beautiful Siberian crane. I travel thousands of kilometers from cold Siberia to warm wetlands in India.
I am the strong bar-headed goose. I migrate from Mongolia and China to India. I even fly over the mighty Himalayas.
I am the pink greater flamingo. I come from parts of Europe and Africa to the salty marshes of India.
I am the fast Emmer falcon. I travel from Siberia and China all the way to Africa. My journey is one of the longest in the world!